Here we go.
Wait and see. Open your eyes and you'll see. There's a place where we can be. To paradise I'll lead the way. A future place where we can stay.
Okay. It's about time that the thunder hits the dome. So we're gonna sing a new song. It's called Believe in the Future. But this time around, it's the Happy Hardcore remix. Yeah. Come on. Here we go. Jack, jack, jack. Come on! 'Cause we're down with all you party people right here in Eindhoven. Come on, Happy Hardcore Show! Because we at Critical Mass are down with the flow. Yeah, you know. Come on, Happy Hardcore.
In the future.
Come on.
Come alive, my love is forever, a future together, baby.
Come on!
Believe in the future, believe in you and me. Believe in the future, there's a better place for you and me. Believe in the future, believe in what you see. Believe in the future, can't you feel that love inside of me? Hey!
Inside of me, together with the MC State Jordan and our team. Oh yeah! Ha-ha! And we don't stop! 'Cause we are here! And we really don't stop! 'Cause this is when the party starts. Feel the bassline! And once again I say, the one and only Hardcore Future! Here we go.
Looking in your eyes, I know that the speed of paradise. Where all of our dreams can come alive. My love is forever, a future together, baby.
Come on!
Believe in the future, believe in you and me. Believe in the future, there's a better place for you and me. Believe in the future,
Come on!
believe in what you see. Believe in the future, can you feel that love inside of me? Yeah.
Second down on the microphone and the NLT. Here we go. I say, can you feel the bass drum? It's going down, down, down. Oh yeah, it's definitely going down over here. 'Cause y'all know the flow on Critical Mass.
Open your eyes and you'll see. There's a place where we can be.
Where we can be.
To paradise out in the way. A future place where we can stay.
Here we go.
Believe in the future.